nutritive value, nutrition value or nutrition fact of food additives or chemicals which are added to food. We discuss about this topic in this video lecture. Hello everybody, I am Atanu Betal. You are welcome to this channel. And before starting the discussion regarding this topic, I would like to remind you that if you do not subscribe this channel or you are new to this channel, then subscribe it right now and press the bell button to get new video upload notifications. So we start the discussion regarding this topic, that the nutritive value of the food additives or the chemicals which are added to food. You know why the chemicals or food additives are added to food materials or foodstuffs. These food chemicals are used or added to food in order to increase the life of the food materials, life or you can say to prevent the fermentation, decomposition of the food materials. These food additives are added. So now it is the question that is these food additives have any calorific value or nutrition value. In this video we discuss about this topic. When you buy a food product or food product in bottle or food product bottle, you can suppose I give you an example. Suppose I am buying this water bottle from the market. I would see a label is attached with this bottle, and in this label some informations are given about this water. Okay, so here you can find the label as nutrition fact, and here the energy, carbohydrate, sugar present per 100 ml or per 100 gram. Some informations are given here. So similarly, when you buy this type of food products from the market, some informations are given in the column of or in the part of nutrition facts. Okay, so the question is right now it is defining here it is defining that the energy value, fat value or carbohydrate value defining in the level of the food products. So you noticed it, I think you noticed it, these food additives. Okay, these food additives have no calorific value or you can say nutritive value. Actually most of the food additives have no nutritive value, but there are some exceptions. Some exceptions like vitamins, amino acids, or you can say the minerals when added to the food products. These are also the food additives which are used to add in food materials. So when these substances, amino acid or vitamins, these substances are added to food in order to means in the to increase the nutrition value of the food, then these food additives have the nutritive value. But the food additives like food color and food sweetener, okay, artificial sweetening agent or flavor, food flavor, antioxidant, preservatives, these have no calorific value or nutritive value or nutrition value. But for the addition of food additives like the minerals, like amino acids, like vitamins, these are added to the food materials or food substance in order to increase the nutritive value of the food. So these food additives have nutritive value, but the food additives like food color, food flavor, artificial sweetening agent have no nutritive value. These are added to food material or foodstuff in order to increase the lifetime of the food and to retain the nutritive value of the food. These food additives are added to the food. Okay, you can understand this topic that some of the food additives have nutritive value, where some have no nutritive value. In the water bottle, if you check the nutritive value, you can find the zero carbohydrate, zero fat, zero energy, because there have no nutritive substance present, nutritive value present. Okay, so food additives have both the character. Some food additives have nutritive value, where some food additives have no nutritive value. Food additives are added to retain the nutritional or nutrition value of the food products. Okay, so if we make a conclusion about the answer of this question, that the food additives have nutritive value. Yes, some food additives have nutritive value, but most of the food additives have no nutritive value. They are used only for the cosmetic purposes, decorative purposes. These food additives are added to the food materials. So I think you understand this topic. This is the discussions I would like to clear this. I decided to clear this point, that the calorific value or the nutritive value of some food additives. So that's the discussion. I think you understand this topic, and thank you for watching this discussion. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell button to get new video upload notifications.